Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn basic JavaScript. To begin, understand that JavaScript is the programming language of the web, making websites interactive. You'll need a code editor like VS Code and a web browser. Start by learning basic syntax, such as declaring variables with let or const, and understanding data types like numbers and strings. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building any interactive web element. Next, dive into core concepts like conditional statements, using if and else, and loops, such as for and while, to control program flow. Functions are essential for organizing your code into reusable blocks. Practice working with arrays to store collections of data. Try building simple projects like a basic calculator or a to-do list to solidify these concepts through hands-on experience. Now, let's make your web pages interactive using the Document Object Model, or DOM. The DOM represents your web page structure, allowing JavaScript to access and change HTML and CSS. Learn to select elements, modify their content, and change their styles. Crucially, understand how to add event listeners to respond to user actions, like clicks or key presses, bringing your web applications to life. To advance further, explore asynchronous JavaScript with promises and async/await for handling operations like fetching data without freezing your application. Consider learning a framework such as React, Angular, or Vue.js to build more complex applications efficiently. Remember to continuously practice, read documentation, and engage with the vast online developer community for support and new insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.